Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is considered a vegetable. Known for its distinctive pods and mild flavor, it is rich in vitamins A and C, as well as fiber, antioxidants, and minerals like magnesium. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as okra, okra, okra. Okra is also referred to as lady's fingers in certain regions. It is a staple in many cuisines around the world. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about okra, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.